Wow, how's it? Amazing, na? You know what? On Diwali, when relatives come to your home and see this amazing thing on your dining table, they will be like, "Wow, seriously? Did you made this? Didi, your boy is so talented, stunning, and amazing." Beta, one for me as well, na? Excited? So let's make it together, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video, and please press the bell icon. Thank you. Now take the chart paper and cut down the square sheet of 10 by 10 centimeter as you can see in this video. Now fold this square paper half diagonally, something like this, and apply the pressure so that you get the nice and crisp shape. Now fold this triangular shape again and once again. We have to do it 3 times. See, first fold, second fold, and this is third fold. Easy, na? Now draw a semicircular shape on the top of the paper, something like this. Cut it with the help of scissor. Haha, here you go. You are learning so quickly, guys. Now take more 7 papers and cut them in the same way. Here you go. Just learn it once. You will be remember this throughout your life. Now take the 7th chart paper. Now it has total 8 petals. I have to cut down one of them because 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Don't forget this formula. It will be applied everywhere. See, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. From this one, I have to cut 2 petals. For rest 5 of them, apply the same formula. Now take the Fevicol and stick the edges of this chart paper. Repeat this process for the remaining chart papers. Now it slowly start coming in shape, Hannah. Now take the pieces and stick it together with the help of glue gun. You can use the normal gun as well. Just the difference, it will take a little more time than glue gun. So our basic shape is ready now. It's time to make it even more realistic. So I am taking a pen and trying to fold the petals. Do it gently and apply a little less pressure. It's time to make sepal of the flower now. Fold it in the same way that we learned earlier. Now with the help of pencil, give it a shape like a leaf, like how I am doing in this video. After cutting it, you will get a shape like this. Now fold it to give it a little leaf-like shape. It's looking more beautiful than a natural flower. If you guys are agree, tell me in the comment section. Now take a stick and cover it with the chart paper to make the stem of this flower. With the help of glue, stick the both part together. Now take a chart paper of 8 cm, fold it from the middle and draw a shape something like leaf. Cut it down and you will get your leaf. It's time to stick them. Now with the help of hot glue, I am sticking the 2 leaves on the both sides. The first one is ready. Wow, one is ready. But the second one is more easier and more beautiful than this one. So tell me in the comment box, is it look like a rose or it's look like a lotus? Fast guys. For making this flower, take a rectangular paper of 7.5 by 15 cm. Fold this rectangular paper from the center, something like this. Now fold it from the top and the bottom to make this pointy shape. Now half fold it again from the both sides and you will get a shape something like this. Do it with the remaining paper and make total 6 petals. Now make 2 pairs of each petals and 6 sets of them. Join them together with the help of rubber band and fold these 2 pairs to get this star-like shape. Now take one petal and unfold it. Now unfold the remaining one as I am doing in this video. Let me fast forward the video. I hope you will understanding it. If you get any problem while making it, you can ask me anytime in the comment section or on Instagram as well. So my basic shape is ready now. Let me give a little curve to the petals to give it a little more natural shape. After attaching sepal and the stem, it's ready. Beautiful, na? Wait, what happened? I'm not getting the fragrance. I think I should visit a doctor now. Uh, I have an idea. I should give this to the doctor and get the treatment and free. Let me visit to the doctor. You should continue the video. Now take two chart papers of pink and light pink of 27 by 7 cm. Stick them with the help of glue. Now give the margin of 2 cm at the top of the dark pink. Now cut the paper to that line. Now round these strips till the end. After completing it, you will get a shape like this. Now apply some glue on the stem. Now we have to stick that part on the stem. Let me put the leaves now. At the end, you guys learned it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, subscribe and share with your friends.